we're somewhere in California on the beach, and got the Dungeness crab on the pier, and the razor clams in the sand, and we got lobster and salmon 2 miles out, 30-pounders. Got the Indian reservations pulling in the salmon, mixing it with brown sugar, and making beef jerky out of it, but it's fish jerky. And then they got the kids playing on the beach. They're out of school. A lot of seaweed out there, and the seaweed beds, that's where all the fish are hanging around at. You got the cow cod, the ling cod, black snapper, all the exotic Pacific fish, rockfish. It's a cornucopia, buffet of nature's bounty that the Lord has provided. So it's just a fantastic place to be. The sun's shining, got a nice cool breeze, and blue skies. And I wanted to show you something here. Pretty flowers. Here's the Adventure Man mobile. Adventure Man channel, Adventure Man Productions on YouTube. And if you look real closely, up in that tree, there's a bird sanctuary, and it's like the white herons are taking care of their offspring. So I guess they call that a rook. So there's a bird sanctuary here. A lot of birds up there. They were squawking a minute ago. They really make a lot of noise to get to squawking. So that's somewhere in California in the springtime. So there's parents and the babies just hanging out in their little nest up there in the treetops, taking in the view and the sunshine, and come down to the creek down here and grab some sardines or something when they're hungry. So life's good. Just another day in paradise. So this is Adventure Man Productions signing off on YouTube channel, Adventure Man Productions. 3,000 movies in 30 countries, so many places to go, so little time to see them. So dream like you live forever, but live like you die today. Adventure Man over and out. Happy trails until we meet again. Signing off from somewhere in California.